ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਅਮਰੀਕਾ 'ਚ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਖਿਲਾਫ ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਨਸਲੀ ਹਮਲਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਮਾਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਘਟਨਾਵਾਂ ਵੱਧਦੀਆਂ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਸਿੱਖ ਭਾਈਚਾਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਪਛਾਣ ਲਈ ਕਾਨੂੰਨੀ ਲੜਾਈ ਲੜੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਸਾਲ 2015 ਦੇ ਨਵੰਬਰ ਮਹੀਨੇ 'ਚ ਕੈਲੀਫੋਰਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਲਾਸ ਐਂਜਲਸ 'ਚ ਬਲਵਿੰਦਰਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਨਸਲੀ ਹਮਲੇ ਦੇ ਮਾਮਲੇ 'ਚ ਇੰਗਲਵੁੱਡ ਡਿਸਟ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਅਟਾਰਨੀ ਦੇ ਆਫਿਸ ਨੇ ਹਮਲਾਵਰ ਕੇਸੀ ਟੈਡ ਖਿਲਾਫ ਹੇਟ ਕ੍ਰਾਈਮਸ ਚਾਰजेस ਫਾਈਲ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹਨ। 6 ਨਵੰਬਰ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਟੈਰਰਿਸਟ ਸੁਸਾਈਡ ਬੰਬਰ ਕਹਿ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਬੱਸ ਹਾਈਜੈਕ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਇਲਜ਼ਾਮ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਗਿਆ ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਹਮਲਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ। ਇਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਵਧੇਰੇ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿੱਖ ਕੋਲੀਸ਼ਨ ਤੋਂ ਗੁਰਜੋਤ ਕੌਰ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਹ ਕੇਸ ਦੀ ਪੈਰਵਾਈ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸਨ। Hello Gurjot, welcome and thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, it's a pleasure to be here.
Please briefly shed some light on Balwinderjeet Singh's case and what does this victory means to Sikh community in US?
Sure, so we're excited to announce that yesterday the district attorney's office in Los Angeles agreed to file hate crime charges against his assailant who's been identified as Casey Tard. So the charges that were filed was a felony count of battery on transit personnel because he was on duty as a LA County bus driver when he was attacked.
Yeah.
Plus a felony hate crime enhancement, which means if he is convicted, he could face additional sentencing up to 3 years because of the hate crime.
Gurjot, what are Mr. Singh's personal views after this judgment?
He's very relieved. He's wanted the police to do the right thing this whole time, and unfortunately it was frustrating for him at the beginning because when he was attacked and the police were called, he shared with them that racial slurs were used against him, and they didn't categorize it as a hate crime. And so when he contacted us over a month later, it took some time, media pressure and lawyers to get the right results. But he's grateful now for the district attorney's office and the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Office for doing the right thing.
True. Gurjot, Sikh Coalition initiated Report Hate Tool in February. Any further update on that?
Yeah, so the data is still in infancy, and we are getting reports from around the country. And so while fortunately there's been a slight decrease in hate crimes and backlash, like what we saw in December, where the numbers were very high and double the rate of what we normally get in prior years, there's still micro incidents that are happening around the country where Sikh might be called terrorist or other epithets on the street. So it's important we have this tool to capture this data.
Thanks a lot, Gurjot, for your time. We really appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you so much.